Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a watercolor ice dye. So we're going to try the wiffle ball method again. And I got these wiffle balls off of Amazon, and they come in a pack of 12, so you can make 2 shirts at one time. And this little rack I got from the dollar store, and it just works perfectly. So now I'm just scrunching up the shirt, trying to do tall peaks and low valleys, and I want to get it nice and fluffy over top of the wiffle balls. I don't want it to be really flat. So I'm just going to work with this for a little bit here until I feel like I've got it scrunched up just the way that I want it. Today I chose music for this tutorial that I thought Monet might listen to, so I'm channeling my inner Monet. This is going to be an ice dye and I don't want it sitting in the muck, so I just flipped over one of these little baskets and then I'm setting this basket on top, and I'm using the same colors that I used last time. The only twist is going to be I'm going to do some dye over ice. Grab a mask and give your project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure. Here I go again, playing in the ice without gloves on. If you don't want to have dye on your hands and go out in public with stained hands, don't forget to put on your gloves. So here's a little twist from the last shirt. I'm going to do some dye over ice, and I'm choosing Nebula Navy. 1, because I just really love the name, and 2, because it's been my experience that navy blues split really nicely into some lavenders and purples. So let's see how this one turns out. I forgot to turn the camera off when I walked away, so I thought I would add this in, some times 100 sped up ice melting. I set the project aside and just let it do its thing, and then you want to batch it for 24 to 48 hours after the ice melts. Surprisingly, the wiffle balls resist the dye pretty well. If you notice, they're not very dirty. So now it's time for the rinse out, and you want to start by using cold water. That's going to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the shirt, and then gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. And then I wash my projects in the washing machine, and I use Carolon, and I also use Millsoft, and I get those from Dharma Trading Company, and I have links for them down below in the description box, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so you want to check that out. And then you just want to follow the manufacturer's directions on the Carolon and Millsoft, and then I put my stuff in the dryer, and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried, and I think it turned out really pretty. I like this shirt a lot. I don't see as many flowers in this shirt as the last shirt, but they're both equally beautiful in their own way, and they're both just completely different shirts. The Nebula Navy being dye over ice, it really helped all the colors blend together better. So I really do love this shirt quite a bit. And then I'm going to be putting some close-up shots here so you can really see what the watercolor looks like up close. It's really, really pretty. So I think I'm going to try another shirt where I just do all dye over ice and see what happens, because I love a good experiment. So what do you guys think of this shirt? Please leave me some comments down below. And like I said, stay till the end because I have a side-by-side. Well, here's the side-by-side, and you can see two totally different shirts, both beautiful in their own right. It's hard to pick a favorite. The one on the left is the first shirt that I made, and there's a lot more white, but there's a lot more flowers, and up close there are a lot more brush strokes, and it looks more like an actual painting. Whereas the one that I made today, it just has an overall softer look to it. The colors are blended together better. It's really hard to choose a favorite, you guys. Which one do you like better, or do you just like them both for different reasons? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and then click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.